Hey there, it's your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, with your product picks for campaign 25 of 2021. And of course, we have all of the great holiday stuff from campaign 23 and 24, all here in 25, with a few new additions, like these fabulous new cable slippers there at the beginning, and those are indoor-outdoor slippers if you're looking for those type. Things like that, a few little additions to like the slippers and the jewelry and that, but not a lot new in campaign 25 because we know you want to kind of know what's going to be there for the holidays so you can shop early. So that's all there. So I'm going to tell you, this is a good time of year to take advantage of a couple options for you as an Avon shopper. The first is you've got a personal shopper. So if you've got a holiday list and you think we might have what you're looking for to fill that gift list, absolutely reach out, contact me, your favorite method. You can go to thoughtsonbeauty.com and click on contact me. That's got, a great form you can fill out and send to me. It's also got my my number that you can call or text or email or what have you, all right there, quick and easy. Let me know what you're looking for. I'm happy, I know what products we've got. I'm familiar with it all, so I can help you choose the right products, not just for your personal needs, but also, again, to fill that gift list. The other thing that you might want to consider taking advantage of is become an Avon representative. Take advantage of the representative discount. Brand new representatives earn 25% on like beauty, jewelry, personal care, fragrance, all of that. 20% on fashion and home. So that would be the clothing, the shoes, like the slippers and stuff, and home care products and decor. But 25% off if you've got a big Christmas list or got a lot of things that you want to add to your decorations. It's a good time to take advantage of that. There's no time commitment. You don't have to stay for any extended period of time. Of course, you'd be getting discounts on your personal purchases anytime you order. The only limit is the order has to be $40 or more, and that's total between what you order and if you share with a friend, any customer's order within the 2-week campaign period. So $40 during the holidays, most people are spending more than that, and you can get that discount. So just thought I would mention that. You can become a representative. Super easy. Just go to youravon.com/carnold. Click on Become a Representative. Then you've got me for support, whether you're just looking to be a personal shopper or whether, this is just your time to try it out, maybe earn a little bit of extra money or even go even bigger and build a business with it. So just thought I would mention that. Great way to save money for the holidays. So as for new items in campaign 25, because I know that's what you came here for, let's see, we have our, of course, our fabulous Gotta Get It offer. This is the Gotta Get It, was also the same in campaign 24 because each one goes for 2 campaigns. And this one has the travel size or the try it size, the miniature size of a new platinum night cream. So that's a great, really moisturizing night cream, and it helps give some firming and lifting to the skin if that's something that you're looking for. And then 3 full-size makeup favorites. We have the Wash Off Waterproof Mascara, my personal favorite. We have the Glimmer Sticks, Glimmer Sticks Diamonds Eyeliner in Black Ice. That's the black eyeliner with a little bit of sparkle to it. Subtle, but it's a nice little added little bit of, just shine for the holidays. And the Glimmer Shadow Liquid Eyeshadow in Pink Topaz, which is a great kind of neutral color, give you just like a nice, really soft color to the eyes, or it's also a great base to build on for some other looks. We have, in our Belif collection, every year we always have these fun Belif holiday sets. We have, this one is the Belif Holiday Magic of Glow set that has our full-size Belif Moisturizing Bomb, and then the travel size or the mini size of the Moisturizing Eye Balm, and the sleeping mask. That's what Belif Sleeping Mask and the Eye Balm. So you got a great little moisturizing collection there in the Belif. And then the one that I actually got to show is the Belif Holiday Magic of Glow On The Go travel kit. These are always super popular. We do these fun little travel kits at different times of the year. So this one's got a great holiday, almost like an Advent theme, but there's not 24 days to it. There's only 5. So we have the try it size, travel size, deluxe sample size, however you like to put it, of our, this is backwards. Everything is labeled in English and in French, and the French was showing. So we've got the Aqua Bomb, and then under that we have the Moisturizing Bomb. So you've got both. You can choose. When you have both the Aqua Bomb and the Moisturizing Bomb, if this is your first time trying belif, it's a great way to try out both and see which one you like better. Some folks use the Aqua Bomb in the morning when they want something a little bit lighter under their makeup, also something that helps with the look of pores in the morning, and then the Moisturizing Bomb, something a little bit with a little bit more moisturizing oomph to it at night for overnight. So some folks use both, use day and night. And some folks use one or the other depending just on how their skin feels that day, time of year, weather, that sort of thing. We have the Deluxe Sample, which really is such a big bottle for a try-it size of the belif Jelly Cleanser. And, with the cleanser, a little goes a very long way. This one in particular is going to last you quite a while. And then we have both the Deluxe Sample try-it size of both of the belif serums that we carry here at Avon. And so we have the Revitalizing Serum here that helps with the look of pores, helps skin look more awake and revitalized, and the Resurfacing Serum, which is the one that I use myself. And that one helps with smoothing out the skin and the look of fine lines and wrinkles. So all of that in a cute little kit. I will say in our special sale flyer, and you can always find these deals on my online store too. The easiest way is actually just to go to, youravon.com/carnold, go to digital catalog and then shop brochures. And you can see all of the different sales flyers and things in there. But if you like, if you're wanting to try the belif product line out, or it's something that you do like, they make really good stocking stuffers. You can do like little skincare treats. There's a couple of deals in this little sale flyer that I wanted to share. First off is we have the birthday cake edition, and it's just special packaging, but it's the jumbo size, 2.5 ounce Aqua Bomb and Moisturizing Bomb at the same price as the regular size. So that's a really good deal if you're looking to save some money on your belif there. The other is that we have 2 of these previous fun little kits, and I have both of them here, that they just come in these fun little travel, because they're on the go set, little travel packets. You can get 2 of those for $39. So that's, they were originally $25 a piece. The new one for the holiday is $23, so you can get 2 for under $40, so less than $20 a piece. So just wanted to share those kind of deals there. Again, try and help you save money for the holidays. And there's other great items in there. There's also some products in this flyer that aren't featured in the regular Avon brochure, just because, we have a limit of how much we can put in the regular brochure, and we have so many wonderful products that we do sometimes have to spread those out, put some of those in here. Of course, everything is always available on my online store. So that's one of the great advantages to shopping online. You can also always, if you're looking for anything in particular, contact me. I'm happy to help you find it. It's really no problem at all. I actually enjoy doing that for you. Another thing, you're a lot of folks putting a lot of their holiday budget into, shopping for others. And we have a great wow deal in Campaign 25 that will help you, save money on things for yourself so that you have a little bit more to spread for that holiday budget. And it's just a great deal. All 5 products for only $50. We've got our top-selling Clinical Eye Lift eye care. You have your, let's see, which cleanser is this? This is our Nourishing Cream Cleanser, which is a wonderful, wonderful cleanser. The Infinite Lift Treatment, which really helps to lift and define the jawline for you. One of my personal favorites, the Hydrofusion Daily Beauty Defense SPF 50, because even in the winter, we got to have that SPF, got to protect our skin from the sun, even on cloudy days. And the Ultimate Supreme Advanced Performance Creme, which is another one of my favorites. Use this at night, most nights, and just really, really love the way it makes my skin feel. So great little deal there. So there's a lot of great deals to be had this campaign. Really, online store, online brochure, best way to check it out because you can see all of the little sale flyers, including if you want to see all of the holiday stuff just by itself, there's a special booklet just for holiday collections that you can see on there, or make sure that you're connected with me on social media, so on Facebook, on my page, or in the Thoughts on Beauty group on Facebook, or on Instagram. I actually did up a little, just a quick flip through of what was in the book here, and you can kind of get that and get some ideas, and then say, hey, I'm interested in these the necklaces that I saw in that little booklet, and then we can get together and help you pick out the right one for that. So that's really all I have for you. Nice, a short and sweet one for Campaign 25. So definitely, if you need any help with the holiday shopping, need any help picking out products for yourself, just be sure to reach out, and I'm happy to help with that. That's one of my favorite parts of being an Avon representative. And again, might be a good time of year to think about, becoming a representative yourself, just to get that representative discount. We have lots of representatives that really do just join to be a personal shopper. And so, if you want some help figuring out if it will be worth it for you to do it that way, I'm happy to answer any questions that you have about that. And then you can always get started and get some more details about fun stuff that we have for new representatives. Just if you go to youravon.com/carnold and click on Become a Representative at the top of the page there, you can find more information there too. So I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon.